while driving, you should take short breaks before you get drowsy. You do not have a hazardous materials endorsement on your commercial driver's license. You can drive a vehicle hauling hazardous when the vehicle does not require a placard. Cargo inspections should be performed after every break you take while driving. Retarders can cause the drive wheels to skid when they have poor traction. You are driving a new truck with a manual transmission.